I'm heading down to the reservoir. It's a bit chilly, but well, wait to see this view. Look at this. It's a decent car park. There's plenty of spots. I mean, it is midweek and it is very cold, but I can imagine it gets busier in the summer. But some good amenities. It's reasonably cheap. I recommend coming here actually. Yeah. I'm going to find somewhere a bit cheaper on the free side. Follow me, I'll show you where it is. So there's your paid parking. Next door, you can park for free. We're out of the reservoir now. Found a nice free spot next to the paying car park. I'll think about coming here with a bike. There's a sign there. I guess not. Boo! Bench with a view. Fantastic. Sit down next to it, have a coffee maybe. Wander on a bit further. See what else is here. So I've decided, I've just seen some little woods just up ahead here. I'm going to wander in and see if there's somewhere in there to have a sit down. Let's go that way. Let me go. Just getting out. Some fresh air in your lungs. Get a break from the city. The stresses of work, having to pay all the bills, etc, etc. Every now and again you just got to get out, even if it's just a local park. Just have a little wander around. Amazing what a walk can do for you. I'm not quite sure what's up this way, but we'll have a quick look anyway. I think it's just farm fields with a load of sheep. I just love dry stone walls. They build them and they last forever. Yeah, I was right. It's just a field full of sheeps. Bah! Doesn't look like this one's doing so well. Doesn't look like it's breathing. This one looks concerned. I think it's time for that quick cup of coffee. Looks like it's starting to change. It's starting to rain a little bit, might even snow. It's good coffee. Yeah, I was hoping to get the drone up today, but I don't think that's going to happen. Unfortunately, where I am, though, there's a flight restriction zone, so I'm going to have to head out a little bit. See if I can find a different spot to take off from. Don't want to get told off. Okay, let's get this drone set up and get it up. Okay, let's take off and see what we can find. And there you have it, free parking. The car park's just behind me there. I'm not paying. It's only a quid, but I pay if you don't have to. So join me on the next one as I take an unexpected stop. It's not in the service station, on my way down to Croydon. I'm Nick, thanks very much for watching, not far from the car.